Does Butoh have a technique? Short answer, no. Though many people who practice Butoh put their own technique in there, coming from various movement practices ranging from yoga, martial arts, Noguchi Taiso, Qigong. It's not about any specific type of form. It is about maintaining the body so that you can enter into whatever you need to enter into. Now, I just mentioned Noguchi Taiso. Well, this one is very, very resonant with Butoh. It's a somatic practice from Japan that came out at the same time actually as Butoh, and they share a bit of motifs with Butoh, such as that you are being moved by strings, and this emphasis of embodying this quality of an image. In Noguchi Taiso's image, it is the image of the water. And then the water is engulfing your body, basically. It is taking over your body. Your body is a water bag. And this is the entire basis of that somatic practice, is that your body is a body of water. A lot of Butoh practitioners who have had access to Noguchi Taiso use that as their main form of conditioning or technique, because there are techniques, very specific techniques in Noguchi Taiso. But you don't really need any specific practice, any specific discipline. Basically, you resonate with maybe something you had in the past, and you strengthen that, and then you can use that as your conditioning for the Butoh practice. And there's also no set technique, because it's actually about becoming. It is about becoming something other than what you are, allowing for something to enter you. And so there isn't a form for this to happen. It is something that happens to you.